Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial course. We are in intermediate level now and we are going to solve the exercise from the last session. Okay, in the last session I want you to make a def, name goal chance, for example, goal chance. Okay, and I want you to have accuracy, power, chance, right, for example, right foot. Okay, and I want you to give us that the shot is going to be goal or not. Okay, I say to you that try and make your line of code for being goal or not. Okay, I try to make it. At first I make everything integer. Accuracy. Okay, I make everything integer. Power, int power. Chance is equal to int chance. And right foot is equal to int right foot. Okay, everything is now in right format. Next, I want to make a code that give us that it is goal or not. For example, if accuracy is, let's write here, accuracy is between, for example, accuracy is between 0 to 1. Accuracy. Everything is from 0 to 1, and power is from 0 to 1. For example, chance is from 0 to 1, and right foot is 0 or 1. Let's say it's from 0 to 1, right foot. Not 0, it's from, okay, it's make it better, right foot. Okay, now we have the inputs range. Now let's make a function that give us the answer. Okay, we create goal function like this. Accuracy multiplied by power multiplied by chance plus multiplied by right foot. Let's not make it more complicated. Make it be easy to understand. It's better. Okay, and we say if goal is higher than, print return 1, else return 0. 0 for not goal and 1 for goal. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, let's print goal chance function, and for accuracy we gave, for example, 90, for power we gave 80, and for chance we gave 5, and right foot or left foot we gave 1 because it's the right foot. Okay, now print. As you can see, it gave us non-goal. Let me make it right. We are doing something right. Print goal. Let me print goal here. Goal print print the goal. Okay. Now let's run it and see what it gave to us. Okay, we have 0. But what is 0? Nothing must be 0. Let's give everything 1 and see what it gave us. It's 1. Let's give one of us. It's 0. Why? As you can say, it's because we convert them to int. We must convert them to float. They are not int. Float. And float. Float. Okay, now run it. Oh, the answer is going to work right. Now let's give us the number. 9, 8, 5 and 1. As you can see, it's goal. We can make it lower to make the goal chance higher. Return 1, or we can say return goal. Return out. For example, make it funnier. Okay, now let's run the code. Okay, for accuracy 5, power 9, and chance is 7, and the right foot, it's goal. But if the foot is not right, it's out. As you can see, the code is going really right, and it's perfectly running. For the next session, I want you to write a code definition that gave us one thing. We gave you the 2 parameters of the triangle. 3 parameters of the triangle. No, we do this in the past course. What to give you? Okay, for the next session, I want you to write a code that asks for the shape, it's triangle, it's circle, or it's I forgot it. Okay, ask for its shape. For shape, you must calculate the area and the just area, and I want you to write it with def and name it def calculate the area. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It's make me really happy. Until tomorrow. Bye.